Florida once again finds itself in the national spotlight and under the national microscope over claims its vaccine rollout plan favored the rich. Last night, CBS 60 Minutes profiled some of Governor DeSantis's questionable decisions. And as Contact 5 investigator Katie LaGrone reports, lawmakers from both parties aren't being shy with their reactions.
There's a lot of blame to go around at this point in the state of Florida. Some of it I think the legislature deserves. Some of it I think our statewide officials deserve.
Reaction following a 60 Minutes national profile taking aim at Florida's vaccine rollout plan.
I think there's a lot of things that need to be looked at.
Democratic Representative Evan Jenney says he didn't see the full piece, which compared the state's rollout plan to the Hunger Games. But he says he's already seen enough living and working here.
I'm still hopeful that there'll be some sort of significant review of everything that happened in the last 12, 13 months.
The piece, which didn't reveal any new information from what local and state media have been reporting for months, questioned the governor's political connection to its first distributor, Publix. And it raised suspicion over the state's entire distribution plan that appeared to favor the rich, citing how the wealthy town of Palm Beach was granted among the earliest doses, and Manatee County's Lakewood Ranch, where two wealthier zip codes were given vaccine priority, igniting a defensive and threatening governor at the time.
Look, I mean, if Manatee County doesn't like us doing this, then we are totally fine with putting this in counties that want it.
The piece prompted its share of political punches. Nikki Fried, the state's Democratic Agriculture Commissioner, said to be making a run for the governor, tweeted the piece was exposing the nation to DeSantis's failings and corruption. Democratic Senator Charlie Crist, also said to be eyeing a bid for governor, called it explosive, its findings appalling. But supporters were quick to set the record straight. The vice chairman of Florida's GOP tweeted it was a hit piece, while outgoing Division of Emergency Management Director Jared Moskowitz, a Democrat, defended the Publix connection, tweeting it was his agency and the health department who recommended using the grocery chain, not the governor's office. Absolute malarkey, he said.
The governor and Publix have and continue to deny any pay-to-play allegations. Meantime, the state continues to add pop-up vaccination clinics for underserved and minority communities throughout the state. Katie LaGrone, WPTV News Channel 5.